Doctors say there is a shortage of mental health professionals both locally and nationwide, but tens of thousands of dollars in grants could help bridge the gap in the Fox Valley. Fox 11's Alex Rinaldo tells us how.
Violent incidents like mass shootings are being seen more often across the country, and some say mental illness is partly to blame.
Much more stress, and I think people are having trouble with it.
Dr. John Milkey is a retired cardiologist. He says there is a critical shortage of mental health professionals to help people deal with that stress.
We're short several thousand psychiatrists in the country. We aren't training enough.
So Milkey and 4 other area doctors helped create the Primary Care Physician Support Project. The program has psychiatrists and psychologists provide primary care professionals training on mental illness once a month.
It is thought that 40% of any family doctor's practice has something to do with mental illness.
The organization estimates about 4,000 children in Outagamie, Winnebago, and Calumet counties are dealing with untreated mental illness. The project has received $60,000 in the past year thanks to funding from the Community Foundation for the Fox Valley. The grants were given by Theta Care's Community Health Action Team.
Having a program that can equip our community to do more in that area is really an important undertaking, and we know from statistics that just continues to be a big concern.
Milkey says he's encouraged by the community's response. He says he hopes the project can allow mental illness to be treated like any other disease.
People aren't so free to talk about if they're hearing voices and that sort of thing as they would be free to talk about if they had a heart attack.
In Appleton, Alex Rinaldo, Fox 11 News.
Dr. Milkey says the Primary Care Physician Support Project has enough funding now to continue training through the next year.